Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. My dear student, today we are going to start revision. The syllabus of your periodic test that will be from chapter 1 to 4, and as we do the revision we will revise each and every lesson and every portion of exercise. So in that series we are going to start today revision revision of word bank from all lesson. We will see here the word bank, you can say keyword of all lesson, because it is very important portion. Let's see. First one is globe. What is globe? A spherical model of the earth. Spherical, or you can say round or circle, a spherical model of the earth. The spherical model of the earth is called globe. Next one is axis, an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth on which earth rotates. Yes student, an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth. It passes through the center of the earth on which earth rotates. Yes student, it is an imaginary line on which earth used to rotate. The base and the rod, you can say, that we use in globe is called axis. And next one is hemisphere. As we know, the lines of latitude, in lines of latitude, one line is equator, and the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. Equator divides the earth into two equal halves, you can say in two hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So here is only the word hemisphere, one half of the earth. One half of the earth means, just suppose it is earth and it is equator 0 degree. Equator 0 degree. So my dear student, this line divides the earth into two equal halves. One half of the earth is called hemisphere. One half of the earth is called hemisphere. That is hemisphere. Hemisphere means one half of the earth. And next is grid. Yes student, when we are in chapter 1, we studied how can we get the location of any place on the earth, because earth is too big and it is quite difficult to find out the location of any place on the earth. So in that series what we have had studies, we studies latitudes and longitude. Latitude and longitude both cross over each other and make a series of squares. Make a series of square, that is called grid. You can see here What is grid? Just suppose, my dear student, this is longitude, and this one is latitude. Longitude and latitude, and it makes a series of square, this shape. This shape is called grid. And my dear student, grid is used for locating any place on the earth exactly. A pattern of lines, this is the pattern of lines that form a series of square. These are square, so it is called grid. And next one is longitudes. Yes student, what are longitudes? The imaginary line running through the North Pole and the South Pole. You can see here, it is North Pole and it is South Pole, and this vertical line on the globe is called longitude. It is called longitude, which connect North Pole to South Pole. And next one is atlas. Dear student, we all know about the atlas and we use it. What is atlas? A book of maps. A book of maps, a book that is containing many maps in itself. That book is called atlas. And next one is plan. Plan, a drawing of a small area, a drawing of a small area in great detail. Drawing of a small area in great detail. Just for example, I had given to you in this lesson. Dear student, when your exam is about to start and there is a need to make an sitting arrangement. There is a need of making sitting arrangement so that you can take your place where it is decided. So what we do? We draw a sitting plan on a paper or on a whiteboard, green board. So a class is a small area, but we make the arrangement in great detail. So it is called plan. And next one is scale. Dear student, when we start and when we draw any map, there is a need of scale. There is a need of scale because the area of map is very small and we have to show and we have to locate a large area. So what we do? We take scale. With the help of scale we can locate many places. You can say the long distance in a small portion. So there is a need of scale. The ratio between distance shown on the map and the actual distance on the ground. It is the ratio between the scale or the distance shown on the map. Means scale is a ratio between map distance and actual distance or ground distance. And next one is legend, used to understand the symbols shown on a map. Yes student, with the help of legend we can understand and we are able to know about the sign symbol that are shown on a map. And next one is cardinal. Cardinal of prime importance. Cardinal means the main, the related with the main things. And my dear student, cardinal are used in direction, cardinal direction and intermediate direction. Cardinal direction, four cardinal directions are, it is north, it is south, it is west and it is east. These four directions are called cardinal, sorry, yes, cardinal direction. And except this, there are four intermediate direction. You should to know about it also. Northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. So other these are the intermediate direction. So my dear student, we will keep it up revising in each and every video. So this is the time to learn all the exercise portion and question answer for your periodic exam. So enjoy your day and have a nice day.